Well, good morning out there. This is Coach P, Jim Pusateri, and today's words of encouragement. For every minute spent organizing, an hour is earned. Yes, folks, you ever hear everybody? They're always saying, well, I don't have time to get this done. Or where am I going to find the time to do this? Well, folks, I say this, organize your time. Sit down every night before you go to bed and organize your day for tomorrow. Schedule every minute of it. You're going to get a great night's sleep because there is no stress anymore because tomorrow is decided and you are actually living life and life isn't living you. That's organization. That's called time management. And every minute that you spend organizing your day for tomorrow, you're going to earn an extra hour. You're going to earn extra time because you're going to be so much on track following your blueprint for your life. For the rest of this podcast, you can hear it at inspiringthem.com/blog. Have a great day. Move forward.